Good afternoon, everybody. It's January 20th, 2023, and I figured I'd share this little secret with you that nobody tells you about. Are you using your three-way moisture reader correctly? Or do you have part of your plant that's looking really bad and the top part's looking really good? Well, here's a secret. When you go to water your plant, and it's turning down between 3 and 4 or 2 and 3. You have a tendency to think, okay, it needs water. But remember, you got to push it all the way down to the ground to get an actual read. Now, one thing people don't tell you is this plant, where this meter is sitting, faces the sun. So, of course, that is going to dry out faster than this side. So, always take several reads because, as you see, I'm not going to be watering this plant today. Have a good day.